welcome back to another video. Now in this video I'll be showing you how you can organize your Outlook email and have emails go to specific folders while utilizing the rule functionality of Outlook. So with this you can organize your email by having certain keywords, certain text that are picked up in the body or the subject allocated to the respective folder. So let's get into it. Alright, the first thing we're going to want to do is create a folder and give it a name specific to the content you plan to have directed there. Then you want to go to rules and you want to go to manage rules. And here you will start by creating a new rule. Now in this example, I'm moving messages with specific words. So I'm going to select that and hit next just to show you the options after. Now you have the option of selecting the conditions. Now I want with specific words, I said before, and I can select the specific words that I want and I can add them. So once I type it in, I just hit add, and if there's anything else I can also add it. So I have the options of doing that. Now again, select OK, and I can select the destination where I want it to go to. So I'll just click on it. Alright, so I select the destination. Alright, click next. Then here you have the option to do what you want with the message. I would have already selected move to a specific folder. So I can then go to next. And then if there are any exceptions, there are none that I have at this moment. So I'll just go to select next. And to finish this setup, we have the option of to turn on the rule and also to run the rule on the destination folder, but that's not necessary because there's nothing in the destination folder at the moment. Executing the rule will allow that to happen, so we can just select finish and proceed. All right, so we'll be brought to the rules and alert, which is to manage them. Now we can't actually run this in this current selection because this is the destination folder. So I'll select run, but nothing will actually happen once I actually execute it, right? So in order for us to actually have this executed, we need to go to the source folder. Now in my case, the source folder is the inbox folder. Just go to rules, then go to manage rules, and here we're greeted by the option to select and run the rule. And once you hit run, it will start migrating those emails from the source to the destination. It does take some time based on how many emails you actually have that you want to be moved. You just have this run through, and once it's completed, all the emails that fit the parameters that you have set will be populated inside the new folder that you created, and it will continue to do this once those type of emails come through. Now if you look over to the left side, you will see that newly created folder has been populated with X amount of emails, so you know that has worked, and you can always go through and fine-tune it to include additional keywords. Alright, so I'd shown you how to do it with keywords in the subject, but what about the body? So here's another example of me doing it for the body. So I've selected the destination folder. Let's just proceed. So for the body now, you have the option of also putting keywords for the body. So if these keywords are identified in the body of the email, it will condition and send it over into the destination folder. So here I'm just putting in those keywords. Anytime these words appear in the body, then it will also bring it over into that specific folder. So it includes both the subject and the body. So a bit redundant, but just so you can cover all forms of the conditions that they make available, you can also do it to title or body. So I'm just going to do that as well. Let's put the same text through. So once this text appears anywhere within the title or the body, it will filter through into the specific folder. Alright, so you can check to see if there's anything else you would like to add for the conditions, but for me this is basically it. Once I've verified that everything that I need has been selected, I can always just go to next and proceed throughout the setup. So there's nothing here, so I'm just gonna hit next. Now of course you'll be asked if there's anything that you want to do with the message once you run. So I keep these selected, there's nothing else I need to have done, and then I go to next. All right, and then of course you'll be asked if there's any exceptions that you'd want to take into account. None right now, so I go next. All right, so then of course we can finish the setup, and we already know these options, so I select here, and then I go of course to the source. So I apply and press OK. So I'm going to the source, and then I am going to apply the rules. So I'm going to go to manage rules, and then I will run the newly created rule from here, which will then migrate those emails over to the destination. And of course, like before, this will take some time, but once completed, you will see the folder fully populated with all the emails that fit the conditions. All right, so let's press here, and then I go to the folder, and here I have all those emails that relates to that specific condition. All right, now there might be some emails that miss being sent over, and this may be because there are no keywords that are inside the email itself, so they get bypassed. Those they're just anomalies. What you may be able to do though, if the email is being sent by a specific person and it's always related to that topic, then you can also filter it in the conditions by the sender. All right, so just a reminder, please hit like and subscribe if you enjoy this content or if it was helpful for you. Take care.